In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer BNB from Binance to Trust Wallet quickly and safely with a live example. I will show you the difference between the BEP2 and BEP20 tokens and how and when to send your BNB coins to these two different blockchains. And as a bonus, towards the end of this video, I will show you how to earn some passive income with the cryptos that you own, so make sure to stick with me till the end. But for now, let's get scoping. First, let's go to the dashboard of our Trust Wallet app, where you can see there's two BNB wallets, one that says BNB and one that says Smart Chain. So if you're wondering what the difference between the two of them are and when you would use each of these, I'll explain to you now. So the plain BNB wallet is your BEP2 token, which is just a standard Binance chain, and it is generally used for facilitating fast decentralized trading, for example in the Binance DEX. And your BNB coin can be used to stake and earn passive income. Whereas on your Smart Chain wallet, this is the Binance Smart Chain, where the coins are called BEP20 tokens. And this blockchain is used for smart contracts or DeFi, and your BNB is mainly used to pay for gas fees. So now that you know the main difference between these two, you understand which wallet you'll need to use when transferring from Binance. So just remember, use your BNB wallet if you just want to stake your BNB coins. But if you want to use DeFi apps or dApps, then you'll need some BNB in your Smart Chain wallet to pay for gas fees. I will show you two different methods of sending your BNB to your Trust Wallet account. The first one will be sending the BEP2 tokens from the Binance mobile app. And the second method is to send the BEP20 tokens from the Binance desktop. So I'll be able to help you out no matter which method you choose yourself. So for the first method, from the home page of our Binance mobile app, we can click on Wallet, then go to Withdraw and select BNB. Now you need to enter in your address here. So we will go back to our Trust Wallet and choose our BEP2 wallet, which is the standard BNB wallet. Now we want to click on Receive, and here we can either scan the QR code or just copy the wallet address here. And now go back to our Binance app. If you wanted to scan the code, you can click here and it will open your camera. But we're just going to paste in our wallet address here. And if this is a frequently used address, you can also add it to your address book by clicking here. Now under network, you can see that Binance have automatically selected BEP2 network for you here. If we click on it, you can see there's two options, BEP2 and BEP20. So make sure you choose the correct one. But Binance should have done that for you to start with anyway. And a quick double check you can make is that the first three letters of your BEP2 token will always start with BNB. But for your BEP20 tokens, it will start with 0x. So that's just a quick tip for you. So now for the amount, I'm going to transfer 0.02 and we can click on Withdraw. Now on Trust Wallet, you don't need to fill in any memo. So you can click on Submit, click Confirm and enter in our verification codes. Then click on Submit and that's it. Our withdrawal was successful. And now we can go back to our Trust Wallet app and just wait a few seconds for our funds to arrive. And there it is. It took under 30 seconds for my BNB to arrive on my Trust Wallet app. So now for the second method, we will use the BEP20 token, which is now on the Smart Chain. So we can go to Receive again and then click Copy. And now from our Binance account on the desktop, go to Wallet, click on Overview, click Withdraw, select the coin that you want. In this case is BNB. Paste in the address that we just copied from Trust Wallet, making sure that the first two letters is 0x. This means that it will be on the Binance Smart Chain and use the BEP20 token. So you can see here Binance automatically selected the right one again, but just double check with that method that I told you. And now for the amount, I'll do 0.03 just to make it a bit different. And now click on Withdraw, click Confirm and Continue. Now we need to enter in our verification code again. Now enter in our codes and click on Submit. There it is again, our transaction has gone through successfully. So now let's go back to our Trust Wallet app and refresh our wallet. And there it is, our funds have arrived successfully. Now you can see that I have funds on both my BEP2 and BEP20 wallets. The next thing I want to show you is how to convert between the BEP2 and BEP20 tokens right from the Trust Wallet app without having to go through Binance themselves. So let's just say I transferred this 0.0195 BNB to the wrong address and I should have sent it to the BEP20 wallet. What I can do is click on the More button here and now click on Swap to Smart Chain. And for the balance, I will type in 0.0195 as that is the amount that I transferred to the wrong chain. And now you can click on Swap and there will be a much higher network fee roughly around 10 times more. So it's going to be around $1 to do it on Trust Wallet instead of 10 cents through Binance. And if you're happy with that, then you can click on send. And that's it. It's very simple to fix your mistake if you sent your BNB to the wrong blockchain. So now that you have both BEP2 and BEP20 BNB tokens, you can either go ahead now and stake your BNB or access dApps like the Pancake Swap to exchange token and stake to start making passive income on your crypto. And if you already hold some crypto and are looking for more ways to diversify and earn more passive income, then you may as well take advantage of these bonus offers I have, which is worth $375. You simply just have to go to the links in the description below and sign up for these platforms and start staking your cryptos. You can see here through my links, BlockFi will give you up to $250. Celsius Network is going to be a $50 bonus. Crypto.com is also not bad at $25. Same thing with Leden at $25. And lastly, Voyager is going to be $25 as well. My favorites, which I use for the long term, are BlockFi, Celsius Network, and Crypto.com. But Leden and Voyager is still worthwhile signing up and getting the bonus as well. If you need more information on these staking platforms, then I recommend you check out this playlist here, where I have done an in-depth review and tutorial on all these platforms. But if you think you need more help on Trust Wallet, like connecting it to dApps like Pancake Swap, then I have a full playlist on Trust Wallet here which you can check out. And I'll see you over in the next tutorial.